Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Once again, that was candidate number 7, Jeff Rizzo.
Okay, may we now call on candidate number 15, Mickey Andrew de los Santos. Okay, Mickey, here's your question. What do you think is a man's weakness?
Sa tingin ko po, kung sasamantalahin natin ang kahinaan na yon at papaikutin ng isang lalaki ang isang babae at papasunurin sa lahat ng kagustuhan niya, yun po ay isang malaking kahinaan. I am proud to say that I respect women of all ages. Hindi katulad ng iba dyan.
May patama pa si Mickey. Thank you very much for your answer, Mickey. And finally, let's hear from our last finalist, candidate number 22, Dante Pineda.
Magandang gabi po.
Hello, Dante. Here's your question. What was the worst thing you ever did for love?
Pwede po bang pakitagalog na lang po yung tanong?
Ano naman? Okay, sige. Ulitin ko ang katanungan para sa iyo, Dante. Ano ba ang pinakapangit na nagawa mo para sa pag-ibig?
Napakaganda pong tanong yan. Para po sa akin, ang pag-ibig ang pinamagandang bagay sa buhay ng isang tao. Gaano ka man nahirapan, gaano ka man katagal nagtiis, sulit na sulit yun kapag umibig ka na. Masasabi ko, ang pinakapangit hong nagawa ko para sa pag-ibig ay naghintay ako. Natakot na ipaglaban ng babaeng pinakamamahal ko. Pero ngayon ho, kaya ko nung gawin lahat. Kahit ano pong sabihin nila, kahit ano pong gawin nila para paghiwalayin kami, ang susundin ko ay yung kung ano ang nasa puso ko. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Dante Pineda, for that very heartfelt answer. And there you have it, mga kaibigan. Our 5 finalists have spoken, but there is only one man of Manila. Of course, the winner will take home 50,000 pesos and will become a cover model for Mandate Magazine's Hot Bachelor issue.
And let me tell you that the scores are based on our judges' votes and all the audience present tonight. As you all know, the funds raised from tonight's event will be donated to Binibinang Isla Filipinas Charities.
Thank you, Gino. Here we go. Let us witness the crowning of the man. Mga kaibigan, meron po tayong kakaibang gimmick sa announcement ng ating mga winners. There will be a photo of our Man of Manila finalists or runner-ups and of course, the Man of Manila himself. So here we go. Our second runner-up is candidate number 7, Jeff Rizzo of Binondo. Presenting the awards for our second runner-up is Mr. Joey Abaya and Mr. R.B. Arada, Man of Manila 2010 second runner-up winner. Congratulations, Jeff Rizzo.
And now, for our first runner-up, goes to Mickey Andrew de los Santos, candidate number 15. And of course, our presenters for tonight is Mrs. Ching Ang, judges, and Mr. Jeff Balagtas, previous Man 2010 first runner-up.
Congratulations to you, Mickey. Finally, this is it. Man of
don't have second thoughts of releasing Lea Vida.
The queen is back!
Walang malaman mo na ikaw ang inspirasyon ko.
Pagmula ngayon, ilalaan ko na lang atensyon ko sa babaeng may pagtingin at may oras para sa akin.
Ano?
Layo-layo lang na narating mo. Biruin mo sa madaling panahon, nakuha mo lahat to. Saan ba galing to?
Sandali pa.
Madam Yuri, ano ang ginagawa ninyo dito?
May be the mirror of my dreams, the smile reflected